This quarter we have the Master 150 on speedlocks.org. You can win a nice package if you are the fastest picker. You got the whole first quarter. And we also have 1 or maybe 2 random draws from all people who submitted a valid Speedpick. So get to it and pick this damn Master 150 as fast as you can. So I'm gonna demonstrate really quick. Important thing, use the key to reset pins. You don't have to pop the shackle, you can hold it in so it's faster to train. Core movement is more than enough. Then the time starts as soon as the pick enters the keyway. And of course, fucked up now. And time stops when the shackle pops or the core is rotated maximum. Alright? And before every attempt you need to use the key. So let's get to it.
Is wicked tuna. Maybe the tourists will think twice about staying in this competition. After a strong start, the 3 outsider boats have control of the leaderboard, with Fat Tuna in the top spot. The closest Gloucester boat is Wicked Pissa, sitting 2,500.
Alright guys, these are my speedpicking attempts. I think I got you all beat right now, so come and get me. I'm waiting for you. See you later, bye bye.